Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so just arrived here in Mexico and haven't really talked about this at all, but this is going to be the start of a new series on my channel. And for anyone new to the channel, the last series I did, I went to every state in America 50 days in a row and learned a new skateboarding trick. So yeah, today, right now, we're starting going to every single country in the world. And it's not going to be, where I learn a new trick in every single country, because on my last trip, it became more about just like meeting up with you guys and just meeting people, learning the culture, stuff like that. So I'm going to be progressing and learning new tricks. But yeah, the main focus of the trip is going to be just interacting, learning the culture. So yeah, today I'm meeting up with a local skateboarder named Luigi. And yeah, found him online, just was searching local skaters in the area. And yeah, he said he was down to meet up. So he's going to show us around and yeah, hopefully do some skating. How's it going? Nice to meet you, man. How's it going?
I'm really good. I feel really good.
Yeah, what happened there?
I was trying to do something of your trick because early in the morning this day I was checking your videos of intermediate tricks.
Are you trying to learn a new trick and
Yeah.
you slipped out?
Welcome to Chapala. This is one of the most touristic place here in very close to the city, Guadalajara city. Here in Chapala, over there is a hijic. There is another skate park. The name is Charal. Charal is a little fish from the lake.
Okay.
And people around the world, like 15 nationalities, live there.
Yeah.
It's like 20,000 foreign people live there.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Damn.
Yeah, this is very touristic around the world place here in Chapala.
Wow.
This is an amazing place. Well, this skate park, yeah, it has like 15 years, and now the governments try to do step by step new areas.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the stairs and the ledges who are new, and here in the half pipe there is another part that is new.
It's interesting because in America everything has like angle iron on it and it's nice. Here it looks like almost like a street spot.
Yes.
It has like everything's concrete edges and it looks like it would be out in the streets.
But all of that is yes. Yeah. I trying to look in the real history because you are asking me what's the history. We have 88 skate parks around the city.
Really?
88.
Well, around was it Jalisco or?
Jalisco, yes. I don't know what happened in maybe 2000. They start to make the big explosion to construct skate parks and skate parks everywhere. At the beginning, they didn't have experience how to construct a skate park. You will see a skate park like this. The Charal skate park that is in Ajijic is a DIY skate park.
Okay.
But tomorrow I will send you the new one skate park that the engineers and construct now they have experience.
Yeah, I like them all. I like the weird ones. I like the good ones. I don't care. What do you think caused them to start building skate parks all the time?
Well, in 2011, Jalisco has the Pan American Games, and we have the money to construct stadiums and a lot of things. And there is a main avenue in Guadalajara, is Lázaro Cárdenas, that it has, I think, 5 skate parks in this avenue. And they construct these skate parks for the tourists can see.
Okay.
There is in the middle of the avenues. Okay, it's like a
Really?
a tourist place for the people go driving around and look at this skate park, look at these skaters.
Okay, I get it.
I think this was the explosion to construct many skate parks over there.
Wow, that's incredible, man.
Inspiration came from you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 50 states in 50 days with 50 new tricks. It was for you the inspiration.
That's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's sick. So, what'd you learn from doing that challenge?
Oh, I learned a lot.
That's tough. It's not that easy. I mean, going 50 days in a row.
Yeah, 50 days every day, and driving every day, the traffic, and I was really tired, right? But my mind wasn't tired because it was preparing for doing 50 skate parks in 50 days. I learned about the cement, the transitions, the coping, because some were pull coping, another not coping, another metal coping.
For me, when I made the challenge, it made me have to figure it out.
Yes.
You know, so it makes you learn at a faster rate.
Yeah.
You know?
And my body started to feel uncomfortable in whatever skate park because
Yeah.
when you're skating a local skate park every day, you feel comfortable in this park. But when you go out with another skate park, you don't feel really comfortable. You don't.
100%.
Yes.
Yeah, I felt that many times. Yeah.
And now that's why I broke my leg. But I recommend to everybody to do this challenge, 50 skate park in 50 days. Maybe not every day, but traveling and skating in different parts. It has a lot of experience. You met many skaters that they skate. They know the lines of the skate, and you will have a new idea how to skate, and that's a very good experience. I recommend to.
Oh yeah. Hola.
Chat Caruso.
Hola.
Fine. Encuéntrenlo él en YouTube como Chat Caruso.
A ver, haga un truco. ¿Podemos salir en su video?
Tiene como 50,000 suscriptores.
¿Podemos salir en su video?
¿Qué?
¿Podemos salir en su video?
They want to see in your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. You gotta look it up. Type it
Sí, sí
in.
van a salir. Saluden.
Hola.
You're gonna be in it.
Hola.
Say hola.
Hola.
Díganle, saludos a Chat de Jajijic.
Saludos a Chat de aquí.
Eso.
Nice, nice. All right, guys, we just got to the second skate park here on the water. It's beautiful, incredible view. And yeah, this park is only, what, about 10 minutes from the other park, right?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes? And you said there's a DIY park?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so they built everything from scratch.
I think so. I don't really know the story, but somebody
Yeah.
people they told me that the local skaters built this skate park, but something help with the government. I don't really know, but
Okay.
I think it's a DIY skate park.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty impressive because all the transition looks like pretty smooth,
Yes, it is.
especially compared to the last park.
Yeah, it's totally different.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, the other skate park is just to, we have
Yeah,
a skate park.
It's nice on the
nice,
water, yeah. People could look and see people
Exactly.
skating. And yeah.
Right, okay,
Cool.
but now this is the best.
All right, I'm gonna, yeah, that wall right there looks incredibly fun, so I'm gonna give that a try.
I know.
You didn't warn me? Wow. That is
I thought to tell something like, hey, watch out with this transition.
it looks normal. When you
Yeah,
jump
it
in.
looks normal, but it's not.
Alright guys, gonna be wrapping up the video now. Just want to thank Luigi for showing me around Chapala. Yeah, make sure to check out his channel. I'll link to it in the description. And that's it. I'll see you guys soon.